The WeFone WF30 4K camera drone offers a remarkable 4,000-pixel ultra-high-definition camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes. With its beginner-friendly features such as one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and speed adjustments, it is easy for novices, including kids, to control the drone. This drone is equipped with 2 modular batteries, providing a total flight time of 40 minutes, which is impressive for extended aerial adventures. The advanced hovering system and optical flow positioning technology ensure stability and smoothness during flight, making it ideal for capturing stunning shots. The lightweight design of the WeFone WF30, weighing under 249 grams, eliminates the need for FAA registration, adding to its portability with a convenient foldable structure. The drone's 5 GHz transmission allows for real-time viewing and sharing of thrilling moments up to 300 meters away.